Alrighty boys, welcome back. Today we're going to give the toys a bit of love. We're doing some upgrades. We got stuff to do to the Ram, we got stuff to do the 80, and we got stuff to do the boat. It's going to be not a good time because we're both a little bit hungover. I'm here with Uncle Trent. We were at the PBR last night. That was a good night, but yeah, we're paying for it today. But anyway, we're going to start with the Ram. Job number one, these fog lights have got to go. We're doing Operation Murder Ram, so we want everything black. So they look like shit. Headlights are going as well. We're starting with fog lights. I'll show you the new ones. Right, so this is before. This is after. It's going to look cool. Alright, so while Uncle Trent's doing the fog lights on the Ram, I'm going to have a crack at putting these bad boys on the 80. These are from the same company. This is AUXBEAM, so these things are off-road use only. Apparently they're lethal, so let's chuck them on. Alright, so I got one of them on. I'll give you a look. They look pretty deadly. They are a lot smaller, but what do you reckon? So that's the old ones. They were good, really good spread beam. And that's the new ones. So once it gets dark tonight, I'll take it out on the road and give them a test run, see how good they are. I'll chuck the other one on. We're going to swap wiring harnesses over too, because the wiring in the 80 is not the best, so I won't bore you with that. But yeah, when the spotty stuff up, I got no headlights either, so yeah. You got enough extensions, anything's possible. Fog lights are on, spotties are on. Uncle Trent's going to attempt this wiring mission. I'll give you a quick squeeze under the bonnet of the 80. She's just so pretty, mate.
Oh, very pretty.
Let's have a look at the fog lights. It's actually pretty hard to see, but they look good. You have to take my word for it. I'll get some shots and I'll overlay over the top of this so you can see. But anyway, I'm happy with that. A lot of room for activities under here, boys and girls. I'm thinking nice supercharger on top there. Back to the 80. That looks good. That wasn't me, definitely wasn't me. Headlights!
Low beam and spotties.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Alright, spotties are done, they're legit. Back to the Ram. Now we're doing headlights. So these are tinted. Apparently it's very slight, you can't really tell, but yeah, here's the before. These are the new ones. We'll whip these ones out, chuck the new ones in and see what happens. That'll be the front end done. I've already done the back. I'll show you when the rain stops because the audio is going to be shit. So anyway. Righto, update. We've got one in, one's done. It works. It's legit, looks cool. Just putting the second one in now. Going good, mate?
Loving it, mate.
Just loving it. We tested one, it works, so cheers. Righto, so job done. The Ram is finished. I'll give you a quick squiz at the headlights. I think they look pretty good. I can't see much of a tint to them, but anyway, they look a lot better than the standard ones. The fog lights look legit. Turning our focus to the rear of the car, let's have a look. We'll start off with the third brake light. Now that's this thing. Terrible. Red. No one likes it. Now let's see what it looks like. Much better. Now that's just an eBay job, nothing fancy, but yeah, finishes off the back of the car nicely. I dig that. It's still got LEDs, it's bright, lights the tray up, it's good, I dig it. And just for the people that were asking, how's Gus going? Where's Gus? I'll show you right now. He's going good.
Like a mango all over his face.
Gus. You like mangoes?
Shut up for me.
Don't mind a mango, mate. You can get any in your mouth.
It's all over your face. He's got some push boy in him. There you go, mate. Yeah, look.
Oh, get angry.
8 hours later.
Now we go to tail lights. These are the originals. Terrible, disgusting, way too red, way too bright. Have a look at this. So that's what it used to look like. Now that's what it looks like. Much better, much cleaner, blacker, sexier. Oh yeah. Those ones are just off eBay as well. I'll try and find all the links and I'll put them down in the description so make life easier for you. Now this Ram is a 2020 built, 2021 complied. So if that, you know, you compare yours to that if you want to deck it out. But yeah, Spotties, AUX lighting. We do have some rock crawling lights, but that ain't going to happen today. And we're probably going to put them in the boat anyway. So that'll be a totally different thing, but yee. We're thinking Gunnel lights, gonna be a better option.
You get far more use out of the Gunnel lights.
Yeah, we'll use that. We won't use rock crawling lights. Like, anyway, show you the plan. What's the plan, mate?
So I'm thinking under the Gunnels, we've got a series of them, so we'll get them tucked up right up underneath.
Yep.
So you won't see them. Shine the light down this side, same on that side. Naturally, we'll need one under the
Up under the front there.
bedding area, whatever you want to call it. And from the last one, I'm thinking around this sort of area, maybe not right here, but some sort of light that you can get tackle, light for the bait board, and if we're live baiting.
Yeah,
that
and in the
sort of
live
area.
tank.
Yeah, so you can just throw up the live tank. There's a few marlins in there.
Yep.
So whether we're live baiting or whatever, we can still get our tackle, still find live bait
Yep.
that way.
Because this is where we're keeping all our hooks and sinkers and, you know, all that sort of stuff is in there. So
Well, this general area you hear on a regular basis, whether it's for battery access or bait access or tackle access, we sort of try and fish out of these back corners.
yeah,
So with Gunnel lights and lights at the rear there, I think we'll have it all sort of covered, no
Yep.
matter how dark it is, no matter what we're doing.
and we do have a bit of light coming off the speakers, so that's just going to be a bonus.
That's right, they're pimping lights.
Bit up the
too.
front, down the sides, bit down the back, laughing.
I think, yeah. Generally with that right round, this will be a party deck.
Yeah, and it goes with the music too.
Yeah, we got the music.
Voice activated.
Voice activated. You can dim them, change colours. You can get them to go with the bass or theme of the music, whatever. So,
Party.
it could be fun.
Well, there you go. We got the boat sussed. That's where the rock crawling lights are going to go. They're going in the boat, not on the car. So that's going to happen later. But anyway, you know the plan.
Later that same evening.
Alrighty, boys. Let's test out these spotties, eh? We're just going for a drive down to the boat ramp. Nice and quiet. It's pretty late at night, so it shouldn't be bothering too many people. Let's have a look. Everyone knows how shitty 80 series headlights are. Yep, terrible. Let's get to a nice straight bit of road. Oh, let's just have a look. Holy shit, I didn't do a bad job of lining them up. Skippy. Wow. These things are lethal, boys. Holy. Can see why they say off-road use only. That's epic. Righto, low beam, spotties. Low beam, spotties. Oh yeah. Well, didn't plan this bit, but lucky I brought an O-light with me because I just lost all headlights. That's an O-light. That's pretty impressive too, eh? So that's how I'm getting home, boys. Alright, made it back to the shed. So just so you know, I'm not full of shit. Lights off, lights on. Tail lights. That was pretty sketchy, eh? Lucky I live in the sticks and there's no one around. We got home by torchlight. Oh, damn. Alright, anyway, cheers. We made it back safe, but yeah, we got no headlights at all. High beam, low beam, spotties. So I've had dramas with that for a while now. We thought we fixed it, but I know what it is. It's a stupid relay, but I need to, need to fix that properly. But anyway, there you go. I've got to say, the headlights in the Ram are fucking rubbish. I would not recommend them at all. The fog lights, the LED fog lights, are brighter. So don't buy those headlights. eBay is shit. Everything else I recommend. Everything else. Definitely the spotties. They are super bright. And those fog lights, they're awesome too. Haven't tried the ones in the boat yet. That's down the track, but you'll see that in a million fishing videos. But yeah, just wanted to say that don't waste your money on the headlights. They look cool, but I went for a drive last night and they're shit house. Yep. I don't even want to show you because I don't want to promote it. So it's shit. Don't buy it. Look for something else. Catch us when we're fishing or crabbing or doing something actually exciting. Cheers. Thanks for staying this long if you did. If you did stay right to the end, leave me that emoji in the comments section and I'll know who the real players are. Alright, I'm just rambling shit. Bye!